Haka jingelang kabal pelong ha parking lot ha pulo haka south rik unai wing arhajar arpuar Nonghikai school jang ka lower primary section ni ki arpu south league jilla kari India kilawan bani shimenta haka te ka jingelang ki dukhat jang ka all Meghalaya primary school teachers association kilapen pawi ki jing e ki bakia kendu haka be day but ka bapen khamti kam ba shipori ki kum ki boot level officer ni BLO haman la pelongi ki election haka jilla Habakren kum ukong san hakate ke jingelang u chief secretary ke jela ba DP walang uloong ban nakaliang jong sarkar kan treshitam ban wengi kini jing e jong Nonghikai school halor ka boot level officer ne ka BLO bar ula kularu bo unya kren ber ki khot ka election commission bakan pelat no e Nonghikai nakate ka kam ka bakhya bar ka bakta e ka jing ai jing hikai jong ki na puli Obat DP walang ulo ong ru bakajing e baya kendu habaya de bakajing nang jing start la ni ka puli puthi kalong bakat kum ka jing yo jing tip Kishipau hajar teli kishlem ai jing hikai kila syak khang khardap no nakadaw bikino hikai kimla ban ai jing hikai ka bapakai na school. Ulo ong shushu bikino hikai kiti ban hikai bhai ki na school khnang baka puli puthi kan kiu shaprang da ka baula kentu ikino hikai bikim de ban pinkhia kampala di na school ha ka be de kijing puli ki jongki. Ubat DP walang ulai thuru bagat kum ke jing yo lum jing tip house nem arjar khat khandai ki don palat sia jar ngut ki khna school ki bala pendukut no ela ka jong ka jing em na ka daw bala khia palat ka jing puli but day hukum kini ki khap ki no hikai bi ki nong thau an ki de ban chnai ki syllabus ban pin skau tho e ki khna ha ka liang ka puli kot
to engage with the election department and hope that the BLO duty is disengaged from the teachers of the state. It is challenging, it is difficult, but we will try our best to engage with the election department. One of the big problem that we have seen also in the education sector pertaining to teachers is also the problem of quality teaching. This has been highlighted in NEP also. In NEP, we have seen that the Justice Verma report has highlighted there are more than 10,000 institutions which have been closed because of poor quality teaching in their teachers training programs. More than 10,000 of them have already been closed. And this is because they are not giving proper education and therefore teachers training has been affected very adversely. So this is one area in which we have to do a lot. There is still a lot of things to be done as far as teachers training is concerned, and this will be done when everything is streamlined properly, and then only the quality of teaching will improve. I request one thing, you are all teachers. As we have read in different media reports, there is a lot of pressure on the students. Don't put too much pressure on the students. We are aware of the data that in 2019, more than 10,000 students committed suicide just because there is too much pressure on them. As teachers, it is your responsibility, we as policymakers, our responsibility to make the syllabus, to make the curriculum more children friendly. Therefore, I request and I urge all of you to kindly make the classroom a happy place. Don't put pressure on the students, don't beat them, don't harass them, don't mentally harass them, in the sense that make a classroom a happy place for the students to ensure that they get better education. You should all see the videos of classrooms in schools like in Finland and in Norway. They are all available on YouTube. These are the schools and these are the classrooms that we should try to emulate in our respective schools.